I'm down at Benson's. Probably turn off the music a little bit here. So hopefully the camera is still on. It appears to be. It's a fun little trail right here. We'll probably see some people walking their dogs. There's a dog park right up the hill up here, guys. Beautiful day. I'd rather have it a little bit cool than a little bit hot, you know? So the V12 is running great after the accident. I've had no issues with it. So let's get a few scratches. Had to tighten up the screws for the Charlie handle. The ones underneath. This is a nice little pothole right here, guys. And put that pad on, and that was it. I'm thinking the unicycle may have bounced off of the tire because it didn't roll down the street. It pretty much came to a complete stop. So yeah, I definitely had somebody looking over my shoulders that day, guys. I've had someone looking over my shoulders for a while. There's probably a lot of people at the park today, guys. We'll find out in another minute. It's a nice little hill right here. A couple of roots. $250 naked. That's not including all the gear, guys. I'm assuming the gear is at least, you know, between 10 and 20 pounds. Somewhere. Alright, so here comes the dog park right here. Get a little rapid, guys. Those things are everywhere around here. They're almost as common as a squirrel now. The moon is already out, guys. You can see that. Let's take a little ride through the park. Go a different way today. Take a little side trip over here, guys. Go down over the wooden bridge. Down here. doing this in reverse. I've come through here the other direction a few times. It's good to mix it up once in a while, guys. Mix it up, go in reverse. Tried trails you've never been down before. There you go, so a nice little uphill. I've had no problems going uphill with this thing, guys. Of course, I don't do the hills that you see on YouTube, but so far so good. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Hi, guys. Yeah, they caught me talking to myself. You know, it's strange enough to see someone on an electric unicycle and then you throw in the selfie stick of the camera. I'm gonna walk it down here, guys. Be careful with the camera. I'm gonna have to I'll come down here someday, but I'm just not feeling this little path right here. And I don't want to crash with this camera. I want to see if I can make it last. Things like those guards you buy for the screen aren't that great, so I'm just gonna try to be careful with it, guys. So we'll go around the little pond down here, and then I'll peace out when I get to the gate. The video is already long enough, guys. I don't want to put you guys to sleep. A nice little trail right there too. I guess it's steep hiking trails over there. Gorgeous place, guys. Over here, guys. Which way am I going to go? I'm going to go this way, guys. I'm going to head out this way. This brings me from where I came in the beginning. Back in the day, this place was closed down. When we were in high school, we used to come in here on my buddy's truck. He had a 4-wheel drive truck. He did some mud, and I I used to fish here back in the days. It was all grown in. Here comes some dog walkers. This dog's looking pretty chill. Passing on the right. Thanks, appreciate it. Alright, so this is probably the first video of Benson's Insta360. If I was a betting man. So, yeah guys, appreciate you guys watching. And that's all I can ask for, you know? But I'm gonna head back to Nashua right now, guys, and head home, take a shower, and chill. So, thanks for watching, guys. I'm out of here.